Dialogue 4. Phone battery dead during an emergency.
Oh no, my phone just died suddenly.
Calm down, Leo. Tell me what happened.
I needed to call my sister urgently.
Okay, you can use my phone now.
Thank you, but I don't know her number.
Try to remember, maybe piece by piece.
My mind is completely blank now.
That's normal when you're stressed.
I really need to reach her quickly.
We'll find a solution, don't panic.
What if something serious happened?
Let's breathe first. Stay focused, okay?
Okay, I will try calming down.
Good. Now think slowly and clearly.
Her number starts with 03 something.
Good start. Try to recall the rest.
I think the next digits are 49.
Great. You're remembering more now.
Wait, maybe it's 48?
It's okay. We'll verify later.
I wish my phone had battery.
Do you have a power bank?
No, I left everything at home.
There's a store nearby. Let's check.
Yes, maybe they sell chargers.
They definitely have some options.
I hope they're not expensive today.
Don't worry, I can help pay.
Really? That's very kind of you.
Of course, friends help each other.
Let's hurry. I'm getting anxious again.
I'm walking fast. Don't worry.
I see the store right there.
Yes, let's go inside quickly.
Sir, do you have fast chargers, please?
Yes, we have several good models.
Which one charges the phone fastest?
This one gives 50% quickly.
Okay, I'll take that charger now.
Perfect. Come to the counter, please.
Mia, can I borrow some money?
Of course, here you go.
Thank you so much. Seriously.
Just focus on contacting your sister.
Let's plug my phone in immediately.
Yes, here's a free outlet.
The battery icon is showing now.
Perfect. Let's wait a little.
It's turning on slowly.
Good. Stay patient.
I'm nervous it won't work.
It will. Trust the process.
The home screen just appeared.
Great. Now call your sister quickly.
Okay, I'm dialing her number.
I'm right beside you.
She's answering. Thank goodness.
Good. Talk to her clearly.
Hello, are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Don't worry.
I thought something bad happened.
No, I just needed directions.
I panicked when my phone died.
It's okay. That happens sometimes.
I'm glad you're completely safe now.
Yes, thanks for checking.
I'll call you again later.
Okay, talk to you soon.
Mia, everything is okay now.
I'm so happy to hear that.
Thank you for staying with me.
Of course, you were really stressed.
I should buy a small power bank.
Yes, that's a very smart idea,
Today scared me a little.
but you handled everything well.
I feel lighter and calmer now.
Good. Emergencies can end well.
Let's go home and relax.
Yes, you deserve a peaceful moment.
Dialogue 5. Water leak in the apartment.
Mia, come quickly. Water is everywhere.
Oh no, where is it coming from?
I think it's coming from the ceiling.
That looks serious. Stay calm, please.
The water is dripping faster now.
Put a bucket under the leak.
I already placed 2 buckets.
Good. Now move electronics away.
I unplugged everything safely.
Great. That's very important.
What should we do next?
Call the building manager immediately.
I'm calling, but nobody answers.
Keep trying. It's an emergency.
Still no answer. I'm stressed.
Breathe. We'll find another solution.
Should we call a plumber directly?
Yes, that's a good idea.
I found a plumber nearby online.
Call him and explain clearly.
He said he will come quickly.
Perfect. How long exactly?
Maybe 10 to 15 minutes.
Good. That's pretty fast.
The ceiling paint is bubbling.
Don't touch it. It might fall.
I moved all furniture away.
Excellent. You're doing everything right.
The bucket is almost full already.
Empty it into the bathroom sink.
I'll do it right now.
Be careful. The floor is slippery.
I almost slipped. Wow.
Slow down. No need to rush.
This situation is stressing me.
I know, but we're handling it well.
I hear footsteps outside.
Maybe the plumber arrived finally.
Yes, it's him at the door.
Great, let's open quickly.
Sir, the leak is getting worse.
Show me the exact location, please.
It's right here above the buckets.
Yes, I see the problem clearly.
Can you fix it today?
Yes, but I must shut off water.
Okay, please do it quickly.
I'm turning the valve now.
The dripping is slowing down.
Great, that's a good sign.
The pipe upstairs is damaged.
Is it very serious, sir?
Not too serious. Just old pipes.
Can you repair it today?
Yes, I'll fix it immediately.
Thank you for coming fast.
I'm replacing the broken part now.
How long will it take?
Maybe 20 minutes maximum.
Good, we can wait.
The place already feels safer now.
Yes, I feel calmer too.
The repair is almost finished.
Great, thank you very much.
Everything is fixed now.
Wonderful. You saved our day.
How much do we owe you?
I'll prepare the bill quickly.
Today was really stressful.
Yes, but we survived it together.
Let's clean the floor now.
I'll bring some towels.
My heart is still racing slightly.
Mine too, that was intense.
At least the problem is solved.
Yes, thanks to quick action.
We should check upstairs later.
Yes, to avoid future leaks.
Now let's rest a little, please.
Yes, we definitely need it.
Dialogue 6. Lost passport at the airport.
I can't find my passport anywhere. I'm really scared.
Don't worry, we will find it together.
I checked my bag 3 times already.
Let's check your jacket pockets carefully.
My pockets are completely empty right now.
Okay, maybe you dropped it somewhere nearby.
I walked from the taxi to this hall.
We should retrace your steps slowly.
My flight leaves in 1 hour.
Stay calm. We still have enough time.
People are watching me stress out here.
Ignore them. Focus on finding your passport.
Should I ask the airport staff for help?
Yes, let's go to the information desk.
Hello, I lost my passport around this area.
When exactly did you last see it?
I had it in my hand near the entrance.
Did you sit anywhere or stop walking?
I stopped near the restroom for 1 minute.
Someone might have picked it up there.
Can you check the lost and found room?
Of course, I will look immediately.
My hands are shaking. I'm so stressed.
Breathe slowly. Everything will be okay.
What if someone stole my passport?
Let's not imagine the worst scenario.
I really don't want to miss my flight.
If needed, we can contact your embassy.
The staff member is coming back now.
I hope she has some good news.
I didn't find your passport inside.
Oh no, what should I do now?
Let's check the taxi area outside.
Maybe it fell when I left the taxi.
Do you remember the taxi number?
Yes, it was number 245, I think.
I will call the taxi company quickly.
Please, I really need that passport.
Hello, we lost a passport in taxi 245.
Let me contact the driver immediately.
I'm walking in circles. I'm so nervous.
Try to calm your mind for a moment.
The driver is checking the back seat.
Thank you. Please tell us quickly.
I hope it didn't fall on the street.
Even if it did, someone might return it.
The driver found a passport under the seat.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing news.
Ask him to bring it here right now.
He's coming. It will take 10 minutes.
10 minutes feels like forever now.
But at least we know it's safe.
I hope the flight doesn't start boarding yet.
We can check the screen for updates.
The flight says boarding in 30 minutes.
Plenty of time. Don't stress anymore.
I see the taxi driver approaching us.
Yes, he's holding something in his hand.
Is this your passport?
Yes, thank you so much for returning it.
It was hidden under the back seat.
I'm really grateful for your honesty.
Everything is okay now. You can breathe.
I finally feel safe again, thank you.
Make sure to keep it in a safe place.
I will put it inside my zipped pocket.
Do you want some water to relax?
Yes, my throat feels really dry.
You handled the situation very well.
I felt terrible, but you helped a lot.
That's what friends are here for.
I'm lucky to have you beside me.
Now let's head to your boarding gate.
Yes, I don't want any more surprises.
Check your passport again just in case.
I checked, and it's definitely here.
Good. Now you can enjoy your trip.
Thanks, I feel confident again.
Have a safe flight and stay careful.
I will. Thank you for everything today.